In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks for efficient banking transactions management. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, knowing your way around QuickBooks is an essential skill to master. Let's get started. First, head over to the QuickBooks homepage. This is your central hub for everything related to financial management. After opening your browser, navigate to qbo.intuit.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the home page. This is where all the magic begins. You'll see various options tailored to give you an overview of your finances. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already accustomed to it. Next, it's time to dive into the bank transactions. Look for the option labeled Bank Transactions and give it a click. This will lead you to a new page dedicated to banking activities. Here you can connect your bank accounts to QuickBooks, making transaction monitoring and reconciliation a lot smoother. Connecting your bank account means that QuickBooks will automatically pull in your transaction data, saving you tons of time on data entry. Once you're connected, QuickBooks does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Now, you'll want to highlight certain transactions for further action or review. On the banking page, among the transactions listed, you might find some that you want to highlight. Click on them, and QuickBooks gives you the option to highlight these specific transactions. This is particularly useful if you need to come back to a certain transaction or if something needs verification. Highlighting transactions is like setting a bookmark for financial activities that need a more detailed look. After that, you may need to continue highlighting additional entries for easier tracking and management. By doing so, you create a more organized view of what needs your attention, helping you to prioritize financial tasks. It's like marking items on a checklist to ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. Finally, let's talk about excluding transactions. Occasionally, you might come across transactions that don't belong in your accounting records, such as duplicates or personal expenses. QuickBooks allows you to easily exclude these from your reports. Just click on the Exclude option for the transaction you wish to remove. This not only keeps your data clean, but also ensures that your financial reports are as accurate as possible. Excluding irrelevant transactions prevents errors in your books, which could lead to significant problems down the line. And there you have it. You've just learned how to efficiently navigate through QuickBooks to manage your bank transactions. By using these steps, you'll save time and reduce errors, making your financial management process smooth and efficient. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.